Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to find a memo in Tonkeeper. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Tonkeeper. Once you tap it open, you will end up in this kind of interface. So to find the memo in Tonkeeper, all you gotta do is simply go in your history section. Once you're here, you have all the transactions that have been purchased or that has been done through the Tonkeeper app till now. So everything will be right over here. If you have made some transactions, this is your activity section. So now you need to simply tap on the specific transaction you are interested in. Once you have tapped open, inside the transaction details, you gotta look for message, comment, or memo field. So this thing is usually displayed under the ton amount next to the recipient or sender info. However, if you don't see the memo, then you don't need to be shocked, as not all transactions include a memo. If it's not there, then the sender may not have included one. Some memos are also hidden or encrypted if sent via DApps or contracts. So by following this way, you can simply find the memo in Tonkeeper. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.